Tired of spending hours manually separating values in Excel? There's a simple time-saving tool that does the job for you in seconds. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to use Excel's text-to-columns feature to separate data efficiently. Let's start by understanding why manual separation is not the best option. Imagine you have a column of data with multiple values separated by commas, like 45, 56, 78, 89. Manually copying and pasting each value into its own column can lead to mistakes and takes forever, especially with large datasets. Luckily, Excel has a built-in tool to handle this for you. Now let's dive into the text-to-columns tool and see how easy it is to separate values automatically. Here, I have a dataset with 3 columns: sales rep name, units sold this week, and weekdays. The units sold this week column contains multiple values separated by commas. Before we start, make sure your data is consistent. For example, all rows in the column you want to separate should have the same delimiter, in this case commas. Also, ensure there's enough space to the right of your data, as the tool will separate the values into new columns. First, highlight the column you want to separate. In my example, I'll select the units sold this week column. Open the tool. Next, press Alt-A-E on your keyboard. This is a shortcut to open the text-to-columns wizard. Alternatively, you can go to the Data tab on the ribbon and click Text to Columns under the Data Tools group. Step 1 of the wizard, choose Delimited. In the wizard, you'll see 2 options, Delimited and Fixed Width. Choose Delimited because our values are separated by commas. Then click Next. Step 2 of the wizard, set delimiter. Now, check the box for comma under delimiters. If other delimiters like tab or space are checked, uncheck them to avoid errors. You'll see a preview of how your data will look once it's separated. Click Next to proceed. Step 3 of the wizard, choose Destination. In this step, choose where you want the separated values to appear. By default, they'll replace the original column, so I will select column D. For that, click the small icon next to the destination box and type column name. Then click Finish. Verify the data. Finally, take a moment to review the separated data to ensure it matches your expectations.